Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how I attach my streamers to the backer. This is for a girl's mum, and I cut these around 20 to 22 inches. I can't remember exactly what. I usually do either 18 or 24, but I wanted to do in between for this one. So I just need my stapler, and I only need these scissors because when I start the very first one, I want to center it up with the middle. So you just go like this, and that's how you know it's centered. And I always start with my widest ribbon first. So I just want to put a couple of staples on that. And then I'm going to overlap. Take this one, and I'm going to make sure that it overlaps on the bottom. And I'm hoping you guys are getting all of this. Turn it just a bit. So I'm making the second one kind of go down at an angle, but I want to make sure that it's still overlapping a little bit down here. And on the next one, I'm going to go to this side. Again, I just want to make sure I'm making sure it matches up at the bottom, and that it's overlapping just a little bit like this one was, which I think it came apart a little bit. It don't have to be perfect. Okay, now I'm going to go back to this side. Again, I just want to overlap it a little bit. And then on this side. Trim up these bottoms and make them look a little bit nicer and neater. Okay. I'm not going to go real crazy wide on this one either. I'm going to go ahead and extend. This ribbon is just a little bit thinner, or the width is just a little bit thinner than the other one. But I'm going to go ahead and extend it out just a little bit more. One more on each side will be good. And I'm going to put a few more pieces in the middle just to thicken it up. Some people like a lot of layers of ribbon, and some really don't care. You really got to ask people what they want and then charge according, because if they want several layers of ribbons, then they need to pay for it, because that's costing you more money, obviously. So when I get requested that, I do let them know that it's going to cost a little bit more. And then if someone's working on with a budget and they need me to, you know, work with them, then they're going to get fewer layers. I've never had any complaints though about them being too thin or not getting what they thought they paid for. I've always gotten compliments, so that always makes me feel good. Okay, now this one is just a little bit over an inch wide, so I'm going to go over that one next. I'll just start in the middle. And you can use different colors. I'm just doing white on this one because I've got so many braids that are blue and yellow, and I really want them to pop. And I'm also going to add some gold layers. Just want to get, you know, like 3 layers of ribbons going here. Just plain ribbon. And if you don't have one of these staplers, you should really invest in one if you're making mums. Even if you just make them for your own kids every year, it's worth it. They're around $22 to $25, but they just work so much better. I also have this gold, like I said, that I can put on top. So I can make a layer of gold. also have some blue and yellow, and I'm not sure if I want to add any blue or yellow or not. So what I do is I take all my braids and I just kind of lay them out on top of it to kind of see where I want them and what I want in the background. So if you bear with me, I'm going to do that. As you can see, I've got the name one. And to be very careful, that's coming up pretty far. I want to make sure all of her name shows, and then I've got a trinket there. This is a good way to decide how you want your braids on there. And this one is way too long. That's all right, I'm gonna have to cut it off. Got a spirit chain. Military braid, and then I also made these custom ribbons. One that says homecoming, and then another one that says the school. Kind of need to decide just where I want everything. That one's going to be kind of heavy, so it needs to be in the middle or towards the middle. I may want to put that one there. And as you can see, that's why I'm going with a lot of white, because just white and gold, because I want this blue and yellow to really pop when I've got it on there. And if I did a lot of blue and yellow ribbons underneath, then those chains and braids would not pop like they are doing. So this is probably about where I will attach everything. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more gold underneath there, probably under this one, just because I want it to really sparkle and shine. And then I have one more chain that I'll put on there. It's this heart one, which it doesn't have to be off on its own. A lot of times I just put it on top of another one and just kind of have it going crazy on the mum, you know, where it's moving around and such. So that's probably how I will attach them. I'll probably make some more videos showing attaching the whole thing. I already made the backer. Here's the backer for it. All right, thanks guys.